Welcome! In front of me I have Honor Watch GS3 and I'm gonna show you how to change the vibration intensity level on this watch. First thing we need to do is to wake up the screen on our watch. You can do it by pressing the upper button. Once you wake up the screen, press the upper button again to open the menu. Then scroll through the menu by swiping on the screen, find the settings icon, and once you find it, tap on it to enter the settings. In settings, scroll through the menu and find the vibration option. Once you find it, tap on it. And here we have two levels of vibration. We have strong and soft, and also we have off, basically, so you can turn off the vibration if you want. So there's three levels of vibration, my bad. So you have off, soft, and strong. Select the one you like, and once you select it, tap on OK to apply it. And then you can press the upper button to go back to watch face. And that's how you change the vibration intensity level on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.